Click on the link below to get price. The TASCAM FR-AV2 Compact 32-bit float-field recorder in timecode generator with dual has emerged as a reliable choice for professionals in the audio recording industry. With its blend of portability and advanced features, it caters to both field recording and live event applications. One of the standout features of the FR-AV2 is its capability to record in 32-bit float format. This innovation allows for a dynamic range that significantly reduces the risk of clipping, making it ideal for capturing loud events without sacrificing audio quality. The dual-channel recording capability provides flexibility, allowing users to record multiple sources simultaneously, a great benefit for interviews, concerts, or ambient sound collection. The interface is user-friendly, featuring a bright LCD screen that displays essential information clearly, even in bright sunlight. The controls are intuitive, allowing for quick adjustments on the fly, which is crucial when working in unpredictable environments. The FR-AV2 is equipped with a variety of connectivity options, including XLR/TRS combo inputs, enabling seamless integration with various microphones and audio sources. Additionally, the built-in timecode generator is a game-changer for synchronizing audio with video, making it an ideal tool for film and television production. Battery life is commendable, with the device running for several hours on a single charge, which is essential for extended recording sessions. The compact design of the FR-AV2 makes it easy to transport, fitting comfortably in a backpack or gear bag. However, it's worth noting that while the 32-bit float recording is a fantastic feature, it does require a robust post-production setup to fully exploit the benefits. Users might need to familiarize themselves with software that can handle this advanced format efficiently. In conclusion, the TASCAM FR-AV2 stands out for its high-quality recording capabilities, user-friendly design, and portability. It is a powerful tool for audio professionals, providing everything needed to achieve exceptional sound recordings in various settings.